In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add due dates to tasks in Jotform Boards. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then log in to your account. From My Workspace, select My Forms. Choose the form you want to use, then select it and click Boards followed by Add New Board. Click Next, then click Create to set up your new board. In the board, click Add Task. Enter a title for your task and press Enter. Click the three-dot menu next to the task, then select View Task. In the task details, assign the task to a team member if needed, set the priority, add tags, and click the due date field to choose a deadline. You can also add a description or attach files to provide more details for the task. When you're finished, click outside the task window to save your changes. That's how to add due dates to tasks in Jotform Boards. Thanks for watching.